So here we go with the Ridgid vacuum. It is a 3-gallon portable wet dry vac. It says here, powerful peak 3.5 horsepower performance. Great for general purpose use around the job, garage, shop, and house. Suction powered dustpan feature. Onboard cord wrap, compact portable, premium hose, quick lock filter, guys. That's what it tells me. And let's get into it. Yeah, 3.5 horsepower, 3-gallon, the hose diameter and length. Tug along, locking hose, quick lock filter. Yep, that's it, guys. Let's get into it. So, first thing we got here is the manual. We got the hose. Man, like, I don't know about y'all, but when I know I got something good, I know I got something good. And the moment I put my hands on this hose, I know this is legit. This is a legit hose. This hose is legit. That's it. That's the vacuum, guys. Got the hose. And like I said, man, this hose just feels amazing. Like the quality. And look at that. Look at that how it is. Man. This is worth way more than what they're charging. That's for damn sure. Okay. Smells good. It's brand new, guys. Look, is it gonna be dirty? No, brand new. So this is the cord wrap. I think that's talking about. So if I turn it like that, and see, it's nice because you see it has a little notches right there. So it locks into place. Yeah, on my last vac I had, the thing broke, but I don't think it was my fault. I think it was just because it was cheaply made. I think I got that vacuum from Walmart. So, it's just like Walmart shop vac brand, but it was not that great, guys. As you can see, because if it was that great, I would not be buying this. And now I'm glad that it wasn't that great, because otherwise I wouldn't have this one. Because this one, I know it's going to be amazing. Wrap that just like that. Watch this. So some of you guys are like, oh man, it's not gonna reach. Well, look, it has a little notch for the cord, so put that, bam. So that's on there. So yeah, like I said, man, this thing is just nice. Like, it looks nice. Look, it got the sticker for the filter. You don't even gotta worry about it. Boom. That's what filter you need, man. What does that say? That like the wet filter, dry filter. There you go, man. So I don't think it matters what the way this goes on there, because it's not. This is just like a little lip. That's all that is. It's just a little lip. So you just push it right on there. Didn't take no force at all. There it goes. All right, let's open it up. So let's see how you open up. So we got latch front, latch back. All right, and it should just lift. Boom. There you go. And this is all the weight of it right here. And I don't know if it tells me how many pounds it is on the box. Oh, here we go. All the detailed information at the bottom. Site. Just a warranty. I don't know, man. I wish I knew how much it weighed, cause it don't feel like it weighed nothing. So say thank you for your purchase, register. So I will be registering my tool. There you go. Oh, you get this. So this is the only attachment it comes with. Seemed like a nice attachment. This don't smell as good as a hose, so the hose smell amazing. Man, that smells really good. So, and you just slide it right, like there's no nothing in there to catch. It's just smooth edges. So I don't know. After a while, I might just lubricate. Just put a little lubricant, so it's easy to take on and off if I get multiple attachments. If I don't have multiple attachments and I'm just using this only one, I got nothing to worry about. So there it is. I'm not sure what this is for. Whoever is watching this video, please tell me what this is for. I don't know what you rotate the hose, right? It's like a vent, so it's like controllable vent, I guess. I don't know why you need a controllable vent on a vacuum, but hey, they got it. They figured out that you need it, so you must need it. Otherwise, they wouldn't have put it on here. So, and it's like a little notch after a while. I think that's just because of the plastic, how the plastic was made. But it's cool with the notch because once you get it right on the notch, it's like a little lock. So, and then you just stick the let me show you. You just stick the hose in this end. Stick that. Wait, what? I'm pretty sure it's. Oh, okay. See, I was forcing it. See, look. Look, check this out. I was forcing it. And see, I'm going to just lubricate everything so it's easier to do all this type of stuff. But see, so it has a notch, like the edges are rounded, okay? The edges are rounded right there. So, look. When I'm sliding it in, I thought it wasn't supposed to go in that way. It is. You just wiggle it. It just falls in. No force needed. And could just be because it's new. After a while, that type of stuff might get worn down. So it's easier to stick in and out. Yeah, man. This thing is nice, bro. Can't wait to try this thing out. So there it is. One in the front, one in the back. Oh, did I put it backwards? Oh no, yeah, and you can't put it backwards because it's specifically made a certain way. So it's flat in the front, rounded in the back. So you can't fuck up. Oh, look at this. Check this out. Look at this. Yeah, whoever designed this was probably one of the smartest people at that company. Got a little notch for your hose. I don't know what this is. These notches are up top. I don't know if that's for that cord or something else. I don't know. It might be for when you're running it and you put your cord right there so it don't get tangled on the ground. I don't know. So let's see. This just say important introduction, unpacking, getting to know your vac, operation, vacuuming dry materials, liquids, emptying dust, cord, hose, and accessory storage, maintenance, removal and installation of the quick lock filter, repair parts, warranty. So let's look at what the maintenance is on this. Let's look at that. I'm more interested in the maintenance. Like, how do they want you to maintain your vacuum, you know? So, obviously, they want you to change the filter. Filter cleaning, cleaning a dry filter, cleaning a wet filter. Cleaning and disinfecting your wet dry vac. So that's probably one of the most important things that people don't do is cleaning and disinfecting the wet dry vac. So if you're going from car to 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 car, especially now with this virus, you're going to spread that virus. You got to clean this thing, man. You got to clean this. So to keep your wet dry vac looking its best, clean the outside with a cloth, dampen with warm water and mild soap to clean the drum. Inside is the drum. Dump debris out. Wash drum thoroughly with warm water and mild soap. Wipe out with dry cloth before prolonged storage or as needed. Wastewater pickup. The drum should be disinfected. So if you're picking up nasty water or nasty things, disinfect the inside of this thing. To disinfect the drum, pour 1 gallon of water and 1 teaspoon of chlorine bleach into the drum. So that's easy, guys. Anybody can get 1 gallon of water. You get you an empty milk jug and fill it up with hot water. Even though fill it up with hot water. Hot water temperature definitely helps clean it. Hot water. Pour 1 gallon of water in. A teaspoon of bleach. And everybody got spoons that you use to eat cereal with. That is a teaspoon. Wait. Oh no, my bad. Tablespoon. Tablespoon is the one for yeah, that's the one that you use for cereal. Well, actually, you know what, guys? Double check that. So you know you got 2 different spoons, right? You got the small spoon and you got a big spoon. I think the small spoon is a teaspoon and you know, the big spoon is a tablespoon. So I mean, you can't really go wrong with putting the big spoon of bleach in there. Some people would just call that like a cap of bleach. I mean, if you just pour it in there like a splash, you know, you should be good. That's basically what it's telling you. Splash the bleach in there. Let the solution stand for 20 minutes before you agitate it. So 20 minutes. Oh, carefully switching every few minutes. So let it stand for 20 minutes. Every 4 to 5 minutes, switch the water around. Making sure to wet all inside surfaces of the drum. So if you got gloves, you might want to get some gloves and like a towel, a nasty towel that you don't care about, and just wipe the inside and just agitate in the water slowly. Don't try to get the bleach on yourself. Use gloves and just work it around on the inside. That's what it's telling you. You can take that and wipe the bottom of the bottom of the inside of this too, with that towel. Empty the drum after 20 minutes. Rinse with water until bleach smell is gone. Allow drum to dry completely before sealing the motor on the drum. So, get you guys some bleach. Pour that bleach in here. You can even put a little drop of dish soap too. Like I use Dawn dish soap because Dawn is the best. You don't need a lot of Dawn for washing dishes. That's why I get Dawn. It may be a little expensive, but one drop will last a long time. You know, you can put one drop of Dawn in like a bucket and you'll have super suds. So, you know, so that's where we at, man. I thank you guys for watching the video. This is my first, or not first, but second video for you guys on reviewing stuff, products. Hope you like it. This is the Ridgid 3-gallon wet dry vac, 3.5 horsepower. And yeah, I love this thing, guys. I'm happy with it. More than happy with it. The model number for you guys is WD3050. I will be putting it in there so you guys can get this. Hurry up, whoever's watching this and you need a vacuum, guys, get this vacuum immediately. I don't know what you guys are doing right now, but you better go buy it right now because it's on sale. So whoever watched this video, go buy it right now. I paid 45 bucks for this thing. It's normally 60 bucks. Even at 60 bucks, I think the quality of this is way above. This is like a $200 vacuum for sure. Just based on the quality of the. And I ain't even used it yet, guys. So, yeah, here we are. And I'm going to go try this thing out. And I will catch y'all later. Peace.